Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. After that you need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have control settings at the second line. Tap at this line, and now let's work with it. So for the left earbud, for the double press, I wanna change to play next track to volume down my music, because by default you haven't volume control and we need to set it. So I wanna set it for the double press. You can also set it for the triple press or press and hold, it's up to you. For the triple press I wanna play previous track, it's a good one, but you can also set something else. And for the press and hold with my left earbud, I wanna call voice assistant. So I select voice assistant. Next, let's move to the right earbud. So tap on it. And for the double press, I wanna volume up my music, and now I have fully volume control. Then we have triple press, and with the triple press, I wanna play next track. And now I can play next and previous track, so it's a good one also. And for the press and hold, I wanna leave sound control, but also game mode, it's a good one if you play games, so you can set it here. And you can customize sound control. So right now by default it calls high ANC, it used high ANC level. I change it to the low, and you can change it to, let's say, minimum or to the low like me. You need to just, when you select high, just tap at the high, and then we have like free space, so we can set something. And let's say I want a medium. Right here, as you can see, it selected 3 modes, so this is a maximum. You cannot set more. As you can see, I tried, but I can't. And if you don't want normal mode, you can also set wind noise reduction. So something like this, I guess it's a good one, but I wanna return to the high ANC level. And I guess this gestures is much better than what it used by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!